I give the floor to the Mauna Association for Human Rights and Immigration.
Thank you, Chair. On behalf of Association Mauna for Human Rights and Immigration, supported by Geneva International Centre for Justice, our organisation wants to express deep concerns regarding the shrinking civic space for defenders of Muslim rights in France and across the French-speaking world. Over the last few years, the fight against terrorism has become a door growing wider and wider that permits states to exploit vague definitions to clamp down and shut down organisations that provide vital features of support to minority populations in France, including those belonging to the Muslim community. Numerous examples have been raised by our colleagues just over the border. Organisations that are non-profit, non-political and non-religious specific organisations, including those that simply give legal and psychological support to victims of discrimination, face threats from state bodies, organs and even orders by decree from the Interior Ministry that are notably not always subject to proper legislative or judicial scrutiny, even if minorities are represented in those bodies. Justifications are based on vague, unspecified references to concepts like assisting terrorism or disruption of public order. These assertions are very rarely specified, individualised to the specific context, and often lack any concrete evidence at all. Yet again, in Western Europe, it is minorities who suffer because of the instrumentalization of the terrorism threat, as perceived as it may be, and security imperatives. Security considerations displace human rights considerations, and we won't see progress until human rights takes the centre and the heart of every decision that is made. Looking constructively, we ask whether the Special Rapporteur, the Forum or experts are looking at efforts to link with the work done to improve accountability and justice for individuals and groups as part of the counter-terrorism international framework. And we hope that greater scrutiny can help protect human rights defenders, organisations like the ones we've mentioned, and stop the shrinking of vital civic space for minorities to help each other. Thank you.